unconventional flavors of Carnival at Universal Orlando Resort, February 7th to April 4th. Play catch with some beads, enjoy live concerts on select nights, and more. Get details at universalorlando.com.
At Walden University, get the W.
With Tempo Learning, I'm in the driver's seat.
Go faster. Go slower.
What I already know and what's happening in my world sets my pace. Let's do this. Get the W. Walden University.
forkful meals into my weekly routine, not only have I saved hours on meal prep, I've actually been eating healthier and staying consistent with my nutrition goals. Fuel your body with real food that heat up in just 2 minutes, and they have no preservatives and no seed oils.
Whole foods that actually taste incredible.
I highly recommend prioritizing your health with Forkful.
Yo, oh, see there. See there. Yo, chat, why pre? Should I put this in the fridge there and make that cool? Man, give me 2 seconds, my fault. I'm there, but now see my screen, by the way. Look like some buys. Well, I'm gonna say daily can't look. Look like some buys, most likely I take video chat. Oh, I'm gonna see. Oh, when I stop. Everything the recording stop. Most feel all sleepy today, dog. Them high levels what we have from earlier chat, you see me? I think I did day 4 yesterday. Yeah, this yellow line did I like the 4-hour candle like. So I range the 4-hour time frame day, you know, from 63 to 22. You see me? As you can see, we break out our range. I went this today. Let me see, this day I went. Today how much? Today I 20. This I 20. Now we open up. Open up right, so. First push up, we break out, push back into the range, get a closure back in, and we break the highs, retest, lower high, push all the way back down into the range. Now push up and we get a closure above the range. Well, we're not close yet, we close in 4 minutes, but I would expect this candle to close above the range within 4 minutes. We could look for some buys, chat. Range 2 breakout. Yeah. I could even look for, since we're bullish and we have like structure on the way up, we could even look for buys within like the first breakout or the re-break of the highs. I told me that pre-market chat. You see me, comedy already have the levels there from yesterday. Or I think a day before yesterday. So I just work with them. Well, and give me like 2 seconds, my fault. Yeah. So as I say, boom boy thing all I plug out again. Yeah, as well as so we can work with the level in a chat. I just add some like I just adjust like could I work with 4 hour cause I say this like 4 hour ranges. And we'll finally break out. Or could I look for buyers above range too? Basically, I wait for this 4 candle close. Next 4 candle should be able to print a low. We could look for buyers on the 4 candle flip or the rebreak of the highs. But would I wait until this candle close, do a chat, and a closure above the range would have been decent. Closure above 44. 44 levels. Would that be good? Or even 43. 43.85. That would have been decent. But not this closure though. Class the 3-minute time frame close above. Not this one. We are wait for the 4 hour closure. Could get some buyers off our next 4. And if we open up the top wick first, it sells them would have been decent too. Sells them would have been decent, but it sells them that probably take like a little bit longer to play out. Let me see the range going up. 130 pip range. So that'll be what? 110, 120. But I look for buyers go up towards like 50, 57 chat. 0.24. As you can see, we have like a little resistance right, so we that adjust we think to like the rebreak of the highs as well. The rebreak of the 4 candle highs. Are we gonna work with the current 4? Let me see. We did get a closure above. Can go push up first. We're gonna wait check cause the other expect is 4 can go print a low. Once you print a low, we could look for buys on the rebreak of the 4 can go high. So that's what I'm gonna do. But if we could push up towards before we reject, once the price push up towards, yes sir. Alright, yes sir. See, like I can't even mark my levels then. I mean, I'll delete some of them too. If price can top 46 chart 50-46 and then flip bearish, that would have been decent. It came close. Let me see this how much. 5 pips away. Once we tap this level, 46. Once we tap 46 chart, this can start to reject. If we can flip bearish and print a low, that would have been decent. Once this 4 can go flip bullish, whenever I flip back bullish, we could put buy stop on like the rebreak of the 4 can go highs. But majority of candles have top wick and bottom wick, so I just wait for this candle print a low. You see me? That's basically the idea I have for buys them. Just wait for that rejection. Could even push down towards 39. So that's the flip. Alright, that's the flip. Can this candle push down? I want to see print a low. And I'm gonna see. I'm gonna adjust this to the rebreak of the highs. I'll see. Cause price never completely top. We came like 5 pips away. Put that on the rebreak of the high. I see some. See which level we top exactly. Nobody could still work with that chat, but we could work with the rebreak of the 4 candle highs, but we just need to see that candle print a lower. I'm gonna see if a level get top, but I want to see at least 38. Nah, 39. And top 39 minimum. Think we finally top just now. Boom, right there, so. Yeah. Chat. Before I look for buys, we would have wait for like 39 get top. We came close, like a 1 pip away, bro. Like 2 pips. Nah, 5. Sealer. We could easily we could tap this level chat or reject after we tap 39. But if price break past 39, like we still got the same idea. Looking for buys above like 45. Buys above 45 would have be decent. Nice. We finally tap. Second, this can go flip back bullish now. If we flip bullish, re-break the highs, we could get some buys go up towards the wick fill. Or you could even hold the trade past the wick fill. Stop loss to break even. The wick fill are how much? We have like a 30 pip wick fill. That decent. Could go break even and hold the trade. Or could just close full up on the wick fill. It depends on how price push up. I was the chat for a flip back. Bro, freaking ads everywhere. But hopefully you understand like the idea though. Anything you understand, can just ask a question. Can go over that. I'm more close. Yeah. I know what that'd be sweet to chat some weekend trip buys, bro. Some weekend trip buys would be sweet, but can't take it just yet. Maybe even have a level like when I look for weekend trip buys, like most likely it'll be at like 34. But not yet. This ain't like a move yet. Right now we're for the re-break at the highs. The re-break at the highs. You know, this is a situation, yeah. So chat, may I place buy stop? Not activated. Keep that in mind. I just got buy stop on the re-break. Buy stop on the re-break at the hourly high. The re-break at the hourly candle high. I'm giving you the exact level. Got buy stop at 45.80. Basically the re-break at the hourly candle high, wherever that is at on your broker. Price re-break the high would I get activated. I place stops on the break. 16 and measure stops, so that was a bit much. It's like 390 pip stops. No, 290, sorry. 290. We're not activated as yet, chat. Price re-break the high. Bro, why am I can't? I'm just delete this thing, bro. delete that I use this out. I have 25. Almost get activated on the candle. For like 3 pips, 5 pips away. Bro, I'll be a 5 pip freaking like the thing I fall from levels them. 5 pips away from them. About 3 times that happened. Still got buy stops though, like me not gonna delete them yet. Alright, so just got activated chat in buys. Just got activated just now. Basically I expect a range fill after this hourly candle printer low. Will finally re-break its highs, so I expect price to push up and fill the range. On a weak fill, at 48 we could go risk free. Price top 48. Hopefully I understand like the idea behind a trade though. Stop so that on your lows, as I said before. They don't know how far. Wait, I will see if this can actually push. That was like what, 9 break even, would that be 24? We'll just wait and see how this trade play out, chat. Hopefully I understand the idea behind it though, because I'm say every trade, the idea behind the trade is the most important thing. So make sure you get the part there. You see me? Me afford. Good though. Rejection they kinda crazy though. Not gonna lie. Just watch price, you see how price just struggle, bro. The price just struggle, we get a pop and then you can just reject. Wait, that 100. Well, I'm gonna say some. I'm inch at 45. Why me have a 90 pip stops? Stop loss at 280. Bro, you see, bro. I have like a different stop loss for my method, for my trader view than what I have for my broker. My stop loss the below it all, I can go structure chat. And it break. Once if price push all the way down and break this level we had at 17, would have then this trade would have be invalid. But we'd have to break this first. Think we have like almost a 300 pip stop loss in this case. Yeah, 290. $290 for right now. That's what I'm say. We even did top. Let me see how close so forward. Price for like a pip away. Bro, if this are ever 5 pips. What the fuck, bro? 6 pips. Forward 6 pips away from risk free. I'm planning to go break even once price top 48. But we never top 48, we top 47 and then reject. So I'm still in this trade. But try see if price will re-break the low, we could extend TP if we should like re-break and print like a steep low and then flip back bullish. You would expect price for like break 51 and put this right here. So you'd expect price to break 51 and push up towards 56 at least minimum. I expect 56 to get top. So could extend like something like this, but we'd have to wait and see if price actually re-break the lows first before we do that. The wrong one that me use. I want to line up on for my chart today. Sure. So we close back bearish by 15 after we re-break the highs. Get a bearish closure below 30, 33. So 40 pips in a drawdown. Like expect this 15 to like break the highs and fill the wick though, but we close bearish below. Weak bearish. No, I'm gonna delete some of the inlines here from my chart, bro. I'm gonna delete that. No, I'm sure delete that, you know. Put that back. No, it buys me, you know. When you re-break at the high. Wait, I wish power enter again. I'm gonna go back. Oh, 45 they got entry. So I check a couple things for like a higher time frame them check, but we're good. Trend wise, right? Basically, this is a breakout trade. In the past, price was able to break out above 45. So I'm just gonna look at historical data. So just wait and see though. That would be 18, so that'll be 30, or that'll be 50. Yeah, I expect this candle, this 30-minute candle for push up after we print a low at 36, but if we print a low at 36 and we fail for push up, rebreak the highs, then we'll probably go need a steeper low. I would expect price push down, break the candle lows, push down, print a steeper low, so that probably mean more drawdown. Then you'd expect price to push back up. But wait and see if that go on. As I'm say, if I will fail for break your highs them after we already print the low, usually I see price just push back straight down and re-break the lows again before we will go up. Stuck. They say stuck. Yeah. Our time. By 9:30, I expect the volume to pick up, bro. Hopefully it pick up in our field direction. Hold on, my fault. chat we could look at pineapple, you know. But see lah, before I take no pineapple, or if would I take no pineapple, would I expect would I most likely get second inches at like 27. 50-27. Yeah. Would I look with pineapple at 27, would I avoid 43? As once you break the lows, price can easily, like if we push back doesn't break the lows, price can easily break 43 right here, so and continue down. So any weekend you buys that would be like 27 or 22 weekend you buys for go back up. But that if price re-break the lows and close below, yeah, at 36. Me a king, me a go tell them legend never die. Bro, this freaking thing, every time like same thing happen when I think a day before yesterday. But I can't remember the day them on my trade. I know I never stream yesterday. I have a day before yesterday. Already Monday. We enter a trade, bro. Bad man, about 2 days in I trade for the hog. Hopefully today I see him charging. Yesterday we enter a trade. 2 days straight we in a draw down for that. Think we all end up winning that trade there too. That trade is the longest trade I take for since the whole year start. Think we have break lows now or not yet? Will we break your lows look while? Nah. Forward close though, we'll never break. At least I re-break right here, so you can clearly see so we never break like a pip away or something like that. When you re-break. Back at break even, I guess. Then this can go push up. Close above. A re-break at the highs would have been nice. Still got this hourly candle. Aim boy hourly this new 30-minute candle. Flip bullish. And we re-break the highs. Chat and the re-break at this high, this would have been a risk-free trade. If we can re-break the highs. Can we? Next minute candle, I guess. Wait, we re-break the highs just now? Oh, close. There we go. Alright, chat. This is now a risk-free trade. Put stop loss to break even real quick. Alright. This is a risk-free trade, chat. Price can top 51 with a look for close full. Yeah. Still in this trade, chat. Never even get a chance for close full. That was like a sniper rejection. Can we re-break the highs? Alright, chat. Fuck it. I'm out this trade. Just now. That was a thing we closed for right, so that was a trade, chat. I think this was like 30 pips or something like that. We had some drawdown. No, this was actually 48. We had some drawdown, but price never re-break the lows though. That's the good thing. As you can see, cause me I say, oh, this 30-minute candle will print a low. The previous one, not the current one. This 30-minute candle, you would expect. That's the reason why we took buys on the re-break at the high. Because after this 30-minute candle print a low, flip back bullish, re-break the high, we get activated in buys. You would expect this should be enough after we tap 37. You would expect that should be enough. Price should be able to push up, but we close bearish. Next candle open up or push down, but we never re-break the previous candle low. That's the thing though. So it's like we're still in a break structure. Trend still bullish. Print a low, flip bullish, and we'll fill the range. So that was the idea. We just didn't expect it on like the previous 30-minute candle, but that never happened. Freaking, I feel like wait 30 more minutes before the idea play out, but hopefully I understand the idea behind the trade, chat, because I'm gonna say that the most important thing. You see me? So today this was a trade with the trend. I'm just get that in a journal, then we can call it a stream. I think we take this at what time? 9:09. Kind of weird. 9:09. I think I first may ever take a trade at that time. First time I see something like that. 9:09. 9:30. 9:52. 9:03. We have all 9:03. I never seen 9:09 yet, bro. $9.09. Bro. Bro, as soon as I see that, I already know, bro. So that just look weird. So we have like one right that's for 915. Bro, I can't 909 me take that trader, dog. 909. 910. Basically same thing. I'm just journal like. Today I win, by the way. Hold on. See you later. Alright. I still February not done it. Things are February done, dog. Today how much? My time 9:09. Fucking weird. Put that in a caps. Get this. Put this at 14. Right, so. And why I was goal. I was a buy. It was buys off of the rebreak at the high. It was a breakout. Setup type, I said that was a breakout check. So get that draw down there. Cause the trade it was within the range, you see me? So it's a breakout trade. Price try for breakout right, so I think we push for like 10 pips, so this was 9 pips. No, 18 actually. And then we just reject, sniper rejection, close below. I will close respecting, then we'll close below. It was a breakout idea off of the, what time frame? It was off of the previous 30-minute candle. And that was also the 15, right? Yeah, it was also the 15. And look on it as a 30. That was like the time frame. Both of them, the idea did offer. It was a dub. It was 48. 48 pips. Change the color. How much drawdown we have on the trade there? Drawdown. I'm gonna look. Well, like measure drawdown chat. Well, like I did thinking more than this. 85 pip drawdown. 85. I think we're going on more drawdown than that for some reason. That was only 85 pips. Last trade we're going at 230 pip drawdown. Never, no pineapple. Price never re-break the lows. Never get no closure below. Put that at 14. But I say we're bullish today. Market bullish. Buys was with the trend. Put 48 right there, so I'll make this bigger. Bro, I don't know why they may always get small, dog. Alright, see the chat. That tight, bro. Because I trade to take today. Some usually fill out my journal. You see me? I'm gonna top, as I'm say, date, time, session, pair, buy or sell. This is entry type. Wait, what am I just do? This is entry type, setup type, time frame, where I'm win or lose, pips them. Much pips I win or lose. This is max drawdown. Yeah, calculate max drawdown. And whenever I enter a trade and the trade get drawdown, I calculate how much was like the max drawdown on that trade. alongside pineapple. We barely take pineapple on stream. Daily bias and total, it's like weekly total, it's like monthly total. But that's basically what me keep track of. You see me? But as I said, hopefully today you understand the idea behind I trade. Today I went Friday. So when I have stream tomorrow, I fall back Monday. I continue streaming. But I try, give me a second, me a fall. I'm there about when I get to the price action. Wait. Cause look why I'm say that chat member say me point chat morning. I jump on Bowen. 9 o'clock or 8:50. Yeah, I jump off somewhere around here so. Jump on this I can clear. That's it. That give price action like a 10 out of 10. But that would have been like this range. Feel I can't even like select a thing within this range of chat. This is when we jump on. You see me? Price action is smooth. But let me see which part like. This is in 8:30. Think we have news 8:30 too. This is our news candle. 8:35. No, this is our news candle very strong. Price push down, break the lows them. Then we just push straight up to the resistance, push back down, print a low at 37. As I'm telling if price can print a low at 37 and rebreak the highs, we'll look for buys, and that's how we do. And we had some drawdown, price push all the way back down, but we never rebreak the lows, because as I can see, hold on, I'm gonna turn off this, print a low, push up. This is how I'm get like activated for like the next can go rebreak the highs. And bro, I'm most about got price push back straight down, as I can see. But we never rebreak the previous low with the print. That's a good thing about the trade. For the rebreak, I expect like a steeper low. That's basically more drawdown. Price just fill the range. That was the idea. Whereas we all break the lows at like 17 levels from earlier with the news candle. This I can will push down, break the lows, and just close back into the range. Here I expect a continuation after we get a closure above. Here's my chat. But that is it for today though. Me soon for Monday. A stream for Monday. But hopefully I understand like the idea behind the trade, and yeah. And soon tomorrow, that is it chat. Late.